I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a CAD cute. To begin, focus on establishing a strong foundation for your design. Start by carefully selecting a color palette that features 3 to 5 soft, complementary shades, creating a harmonious visual experience. Next, choose 1 or 2 fonts that are both easy to read and align perfectly with your desired cute aesthetic. Remember, every element should work together to build a unified and charming look. Achieving a cute CAD design heavily relies on your color and font choices. Opt for pastel or muted color schemes, like soft pinks, light blues, or creamy yellows, to create a gentle and inviting feel. When it comes to typography, try pairing a playful display font for headings with a clean, sans serif font for body text. This contrast adds visual interest while ensuring readability, making your site both adorable and accessible. A cute CAD also shines through its thoughtful layout and imagery. Integrate high-quality images or charming illustrations that perfectly complement your chosen aesthetic. Think about using soft, rounded shapes for image frames or buttons to enhance the friendly vibe. Crucially, embrace white space. It helps your design breathe, making it feel less cluttered and more inviting. Aim for a balanced arrangement, guiding your visitor's eye smoothly through your content. Finally, elevate your cute CAD with subtle interactive elements. Consider adding gentle hover effects to your buttons or links. This small detail can make your site feel more responsive and engaging. Incorporate tasteful, minimal animations, perhaps a slight fade-in for images or a gentle bounce for icons, to add a playful touch without overwhelming the user. Remember, the goal is to enhance the cuteness and user experience, not distract from it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.